Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add funds in Bitget. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bitget mobile application, and once you are on the home page, you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here in the overview page, you are going to see this add funds option. So if you tap on add funds, you will be able to see a bunch of different options that would allow you to add funds in Bitget. In the first option, you can deposit crypto. So if you have cryptos on any other exchanges or wallets, then you can use the first option. If you want to buy cryptos using debit or credit card or P2P trading, third party payment or UPI, then you can select these options as well. So for this video, I'm going to add funds using the credit or debit card option. So if I tap on the credit and debit card option, it is asking me how much USD I want to spend in order to purchase Ethereum, as Ethereum is selected over here. So I'll simply type this amount, and if I want to change the currency, then you will have to tap on the drop arrow button, and from the given coins list you can select any of the coins that you want. For example, I want to add USDT, so I'll simply type USDT in the search bar, and then it will show me how much USDT I will get if I spend this much amount of USD. Then you will have to tap on the buy USDT option over here. Then you will be landed on the next page where you will have to provide your credit or debit card details, like your credit or debit card number, its expiration date, CVV, your name, and it may also ask you for your address. So after providing those details, you just have to conclude your payment, and this way you will be able to easily add funds in Bitget. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.